It's making me crazy.
Ronca.
Está exagerando, ¿no?
A veces hace como más profundo, como...
Snoring can put a strain on many couples, but there's a new trend called
a sleep divorce.
Sleeping separately just to get a good night's sleep.
Time apart can actually make relationships stronger.
In Argentina, 5 out of 10 people are desperate to sleep in separate rooms. Calm presents The Sound of Divorce. Calm, the most innovative mattress brand in Argentina, decided to help these couples rest better and reconnect by sleeping in separate beds. In order to do that, we implemented the first promotion where the discounts are defined by snores. We trained Gemini 2.0 AI and integrated it into the brand's WhatsApp bot. People could send their partner snoring through WhatsApp, and the AI turned them into discounts to get a new mattress. The more annoying the snoring, the greater the discount. The snoring did not take long to arrive. And neither did the conversation in social media.
Inteligencia artificial que transforma ronquidos en descuentos.
Una gran campaña de Calm.
20% de descuento, colchón nuevo.
Muy guay.
The results made a lot of noise, but they let us sleep peacefully. And most importantly, we saved more than 4,700 couples from divorce.